is a hiking day. We're going to the Blue Mountains and I think we're going to Lawson's. Can walk around and then we might go to the Waterfalls as well. I'm not too sure about the weather, but we'll see how it goes. So we're at Lawson, we're in Blue Mountain, and then we're gonna do a hike led by Marianne. So where are we going, Marianne?
Hello, welcome to
How far is the hike? How far is the hike, Marianne?
It's about 3.1 kilometers, but if you're slow, it's that.
Oh, it is. There's a lot of people. It wasn't led by me, it was led by her. Yeah, I didn't see.
No, it's in the bag. Alright,
Stars try. And he goes, oh, you have to wait till, I think he said June or something, or the end of, or said later.
Yeah, Darren Styles would be good, actually.
Oh, no. That puddle! This is the pure value. That's what I was saying. This is the fun part. Oh my God, it's so much fun. Oh, okay. What's famous for in that place?
Yeah, it's you go down.
Yeah.
And
Waterfalls.
Oh, okay. Like even between the day, but it's like 2 hours hike.
Thank you.
That's a nice one. Okay. If you say.
Oh, yeah.
From here?
Do you want to take pictures then?
No, I'm just doing a video. So this is the Cataract Falls, the first falls that we're gonna see. Not too bad.
Oh, you're taking a picture?
Video.
Guys. No. Hi, hello. Hi, hello, Ola. My name is Pai. Nice to meet you guys.
So we just stopped by at the Cataract Falls and then kind of continue into the next one. We should be quite far, but seems to be going down. Cataract Falls.
have to walk on the road.
But if you want, I can drive the people behind you. I have application.
I'll just wait for a month.
Come on, come on.
Ready?
Yeah.
Discrimination.
Okay.
Okay, save it for the big waterfall. One, two, three. I wouldn't be without you, babe. Couldn't see me without you, babe. By the time we get to the big waterfall,
I'll go first. You go. No, you go first. Ooh, so seems to be a quite nice place. Last time we went to Grand Canyon. It's kind of similar to this one.
Yeah.
It's gonna have to go down. So yeah, it's like it gets dark, but this area you get a bit of a sunlight. But today it's a bit of cloudy, so. There seems to be several waterfalls in here. This one's quite bigger than the last one. I feel like I want to go into the water actually.
This is too shallow. What's her name? I forgot. I like the sound of that waterfall.
Yeah, without the music it's good too.
Yeah. So big, high. I'm gonna do my trivia.
Trivia here?
Yeah. We're gonna snack and do my trivia. Sila is the model now.
Model of the year. And there's another waterfall. So this is basically the fourth waterfalls we've seen. Made it to the top.
We're already following you, so anyway. Is that dead end? Oh.
That's the one for dead end. That's the waterfall. We done, guys. It's also not a good ending.
I'm very puppy in the front.
Yeah.
You picked all of them.
Oh, I think that's my issue.
Oh, you and Payne picked all of them. Not too bad. It's not that slippery.
So we're about to climb the highest mountain in the world. And
Mount Everest.
yeah, it's like similar to Mount Everest. That's our next destination actually. Marianne's gonna lead the group. We're gonna do a 2 weeks holiday.
To reach to the top.
Yeah.
Oh my god. That's why I always blind for the later. I'm okay with that. Huh? You guys going back or?
So we missed it.
You missed
go back.
the
We have to go
turn
back.
to the other.
Yeah, we'll go back.
Other line.
Yeah, we'll just go back.
You guys want to go back?
There is.
Okay, chilling out here.
Lower belly.
Oh, you're good. Yeah, you got right. Yeah.
Am I right?
Is it? No? Oh, but it's true though.
What has
A dolphin.
It's not an animal. I don't think it's an animal. It's an object.
I'll hold it.
Share?
Come on, give us a clue.
Share? Oh, it's just a legs though. How far up is Cahill?
25 minutes drive from here.
Oh, that's true. Because it's going to get dark before 34:45, so we don't want to make
I'm not rushed. I feel like the day's over. I don't even give a fuck what happens.
Because if it gets dark,
Look out, look out.
Do you know what I mean?
We're gonna
When
get
it
for the
is.
sunset and then we'll drive back. And
Yeah.
we'll probably by the half an hour. Yeah, we'll be out of such a train though.
Yeah.
Take a nice couple of pictures
Time
of the
for
sunset.
warm clothes and read a book.
Smoke it on.
Yeah.
Just screaming. I just scream my laughing.
Smoke was that guy. Yeah, say that.
Nah, fuck that. I get it late.
I should have gotten this down that I
The wait isn't long for a We got the salt. What did you get? Did you get a big plate?
I got a lentil
But that was like very little, wasn't it? That's like a small box.
Yeah, it fills you up though. But because of my marathon, I'm trying to
Oh yeah, I don't.
count.
Oh, yeah, from the
Oh,
Himalaya.
you would have wrapped well, but now it's too bad.
Actually, I don't think I need him salt, actually.
Did you say no onion? Did you say no onion?
Yeah. Did you make sure you got the right wrap?
I got onions. I like onions.
So you got the onion.
No, this is lamb. So like when you cook at home, so when you make food at home, you don't put onions in your food at all. You don't like onions there.
I love onion.
So then, like, so what do you like make the base? Like when you put your meat, you just like cook it on the pan directly with oil. You don't put any base.
I actually not doing too much.
You don't put much.
This is my dinner. Already?
At 2 p.m. Oh, you do like an intermittent fast like towards the evening? Yes. Oh, okay, that makes sense. So you can only eat for like 8 hours.
Especially if I'm eating late lunch.
The view is spectacular right now, and it's kind of breathtaking view. It's a little bit foggy.
Are you talking to the camera?
Yeah, talking to the camera right now. Trying to do a vlog.
Oh, you're putting like a voiceover?
Moving on.
A reflection of the sun is everywhere.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Where do you want to? Let's go to the best view. Are you sure this view is?